How to open a Stripe account. So, Stripe is a financial service where you can manage pretty much all of your payment needs in your business, from you receiving payments from your customers to you paying out other vendors, and they can automate everything so you don't have to worry about manually remembering or setting a reminder on to pay whom and to ask bill whom in this date or the other. Stripe can organize your payment purposes, and they have a lot of products to do so. So, as you can see, right now I am in the dashboard.stripe.com/register. But if you open just the stripe.com, okay, let's see what the stripe.com looks like. Now, in order for us to create an account, we have to click start now over here. But I already have an account actually. So if I click start now, it'll actually prompt me to go to the sign in page. So for you, if you're new to Stripe, then if you click start now over here, the screen will show. Okay, so as you can see in this uh, page, we can get started quickly on Stripe. Stripe supports any business model, and we can join millions of businesses using Stripe. Okay, so the first step is to create your Stripe account by filling out your email, your full name, country, and password. I'm going to pause the video right now and just do that. Okay, once you fill in your email, your country, and your full name, you can move on to the next step by clicking create account on the previous page. Now this time Stripe asks to verify my email by checking my Google Mail. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click open Gmail and do the verification from that side. So I'm going to pause the video again to do that. Alrighty, in your email, you should receive an email from Stripe to ask you to verify your email. And you just have to open that email and click the verify email button. And when you click that verify email button, it will transport you back to Stripe into this menu. So the next step is to activate your payments on your account, because uh, well, Stripe is all about payment. So if you haven't activated your payment, then what's the point? Okay, anyway, so let's click activate payments right now. But if you're curious, the explore more features button will allow you to see the products that Stripe have to offer you. So as you can see here, you will be prompted to choose your profile, your business nature, so that Stripe can recommend you a their service to start with. Okay, so anyway, so let's click activate payments right here. Okay, so the first step is to choose on the business. The first step is verify your business, and then you can add your bank. You can secure your account, add extras, and then you can review and finish. So, business type, pretty self-explanatory. Your business location, which is where you run your business, and the type of business is individual. If you don't have a company or if you're not a nonprofit, choose individual or sole trader. Okay, when you're done, click continue. Okay, we will continue to the business details, I believe. Okay, this is your name, email address, home address, and etc. You can fill it in yourself. And this is your business details. So if you have a VAT number, you can put it like so that it will be counted automatically by Stripe. And choose your industry. So for example, my industry is the used car industry. So I'm just gonna uh, choose auto parts and accessories, and add a business website. If you have, maybe you have a Shopify, maybe you have another website that you can put on there, and your product description. Next is the fulfillment details, and describe how you fulfill orders. So you need to give this information to Stripe to again so that Stripe can tailor you the uh, correct services that they will offer you so you will have the best experience. Okay, so for example, do I sell physical goods? Yes. Now, the difference between yes or no is that maybe if I sell physical goods, they will try to offer me a product to help me sell offline. More on that later. So if I ship the product myself, I say yes, but usually it is yes and for my business. And on average, how long after paying will your customers typically receive their goods or services? Well, since I am planning um, to sell within the country, usually it's within 2 weeks. Okay, so let's click continue and go to public details, which is the last part of the verify your business. And here you can add the public details of your business. And then the next step is to add your bank. Now this is just like the regular add your bank to receive payouts and to send payments. This is the bank account in which you will do transactions in Stripe. And then next is to secure your account with a two-factor authenticator. Now, I recommend you using an authenticator app because if you have a an Android device or an iPhone device really, you can use the Google Authenticator, and I think Google Authenticator is the most convenient way to do two-step authorization. Okay, so next is extras, which included your automated VAT calculation. So this is what I meant before when we are asked to add a VAT number. So Stripe can actually calculate your tax if you want. And to set up the tax calculation, you just have to fill in this uh, part over here. Okay, so lastly, let's review and finish. Now, I skipped everything because I've already added a Stripe account. This is not my main Stripe account, but ideally, you will want to finish all of the steps over here. Okay, so once you're done with that, you should be prompted to your business dashboard on Stripe. So there you go. Now, you won't have this message if you fill in your details, but here's what you can do to start. Now, for starters, you will need to set up payments. So, for example, you need to set up payment streams. So you set up how you can get paid uh, using Stripe services, and Stripe services for payments have a plethora of options. You can have a checkout page link, or as I said, if you have an online store, you can charge customers in person with their EDC machine and etc. So once you set up the payment collection methods that are necessary, you can look at your customers, you can look at your billing, which is the amount of the payments that you need to do. You can automate it. And once you have everything going in Stripe for your business, you can take a look at the reports, Sigma custom reports, and etc. As you can see. Okay, so that's how you open your Stripe account. Good luck. Thank you.